Yeah.
Oh, you're supposed to go like this.
I did. I went like this and then I went like that the next lap.
No.
I did. It was already over apparently.
Yeah, I know. But that was close. Oh, you kept going.
Well, because we didn't have the flag, so this was like last lap, and this was supposed to be ending, but I didn't see this. I just saw this. I was like,
well, I found the technique, but we just need more laps.
yeah, well, you'll get another crack at it against Aiden. That's usually a good battle.
Hey, I stayed up.
Stay tuned.
I stayed up. Nice.
How about you show this loser? Yeah. Don't even talk. All right, let's get this show on the road again. Number one, numero uno.
Knocked my glove off. And Aiden's catching up. He's pushing. Evan's slowing down. Aiden's going faster. There's going to be some action. Aiden's shifted to this section. Push, push. Twist that throttle. Twist it. Twist it. And he's smiling. Go, Aiden, go. Maybe Evan will fall down. As predicted, what do you think? Aiden was pushing a little bit, but
Not even surprised.
not even surprised. I think Evan took my glove out. We'll have to review the footage.
Right there. Why is he standing here the whole time? What? There's a camera right there. He just stood here the whole time. In the turn one, Jay's got the lead in the corner with the inside line. Here goes Aiden. Oh my goodness, Jay's fast. Aiden dropping back early on in the race here. Jay's looking mighty fast here, folks. Aiden, so I'm getting dizzy spinning so much. Oh, he's closed it up by a lot here. Oh, drop back now. Jay's picking up the pace. He realizes here that he is indeed in trouble. Closing that gap yet again. Got probably about a minute and a half to go here. Aiden really close. Here we go. Let's get a move. Let's go, go, go. Oh, he's got the lead. Oh my God. Whoa. Can he hold on? Jay's slipping. 1 minute to go. 1 minute. He's closing in here. I believe we've got almost 30 seconds to go here. Jay's looking to drop. Oh, Aiden with a mistake. Oh no, no. Oh, he hit the thing. Oh no. Oh boy. He's closing in. No! No! Cover him! Cover him! Oh my God! No! Jay's got the lead here. Here we go! It's gonna be a charge to the line. Who's gonna get it? Oh my God, no! Oh, it's gonna be close, but Aiden gets the win! Oh my goodness! Aiden with the win! What? Wow, what a race! Oh my God!
I had to work for that one.
Yeah, what a race! What a win! That's a great Great job.
Start for Arrows racing.
Yes, this is great. This is true. Great job. What happened out there?
You just beat me.
Yeah. Wow. What a race.
He just took the inside and it was close.
What a race.
I thought I had a faster racing lane,
Gotta get that Greenville logo off there. That just plagued your
I
picture.
almost wiped out
Yeah,
there.
I saw it. Wow. Of course the timer went off right when you overtook him again. But you got those ones hopefully.
I couldn't see this one turn here. It's like, where is the marker here?
Yeah, you guys knocked everything down. Okay, wow.
Oh, it's so close. It's so tough to pass.
I knew I could beat him there. He got to start, but then I started closing and I was
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
it's
true.
like, my race to lose.
I was taking it very cautious.
Yeah, I didn't want to
My
crash.
racing line, I was going there and I kept speed if I go wide, but then you come on the inside.
Yeah.
Should have just kept the inside, but tough.
All right,
And
wow.
there I almost had you here, but then you wobbled. And, oh,
Yeah,
well,
what a
you beat
race.
me.
All right.
Turn